I'm a driving instructor and have been for, I know, about 8 years. Driving for 30 odd years, and driving before I was 16 on farm paddock bashes, motorbikes and stuff like that. So I've got a little bit of history, a little bit of background, a little bit of experience. I believe that we are all very complacent when it comes to driving. We forget the rules, we don't see the rules marked on the road. Anyway, my job as an instructor is to teach people to pass their tests and be safe on the road. That's what I want. But after time, we all get aggressive, we tailgate, people cut people off, people speed. So my question is, I want to do an experiment. I want to firstly see what life is like after learning. I want to give some information to those who are still learning and will get their license eventually. I also want to do an experiment. I also want to do an experiment where we can revisit the test, retest the students. So before I do that, I actually want to, well, what I believe I should do is examine myself. So this morning, I'm going to put myself out there. I'm driving to a fellow instructor's property or place, and he will evaluate me to see where my problems lie before I go and evaluate everybody else. I don't want to be a hypocrite. So Donovan's here. We're going to jump in my car, seeing as that's the one I work with. It's manual. Donovan's car's auto. I want to stick with the manual because that's my thing. You ready to roll?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go.
Okay, so we're going to do a test today.
Yep.
We'll practice in the local area, a few streets, and we'll do a couple of manoeuvres along the way.
Yep.
And we'll ask you to turn in a certain direction, or should follow that direction. If I don't give you a direction, it's your decision.
We'll follow the road, yeah.
Follow the road and road markings and stuff.
Alright. Shall we go?
Let's go on from here.
Alright.
As I said, I'll give you a few directions.
Yep.
Left and right. Let's go.
I didn't have to move, did I?
No, you still need to check something. Alright. Just pause here for a moment. Can you show me how you would turn the car around at this point?
Alright, now that was, I must admit, like I can drive, but
Oh, yeah.
that makes you very, very conscious.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
And a little nervy, but it really, really brings into focus what you're doing,
That's right.
which I think everyone lacks normally on the road.
Well, seriously, how'd we go?
I mean,
did
not a
pretty
clean,
well.
not a clean sheet, but I thought I
Pretty
would have
well.
got a clean sheet. But Donovan's been particularly strict, which is good. Needs
Yeah,
to be.
definitely.
The maneuvers were really good.
And I just got 2 little tiny non-critical errors.
Both shoulder checks.
Just shoulder checks to the left, which is common.
Yeah. Right. Oh, well, that's better. At least it's not to the right.
Yeah, well, they're the little ones that are subtle. You're moving around. I mean, I did pick up on all the cars and everything that I went around, but
Yep. The difficulty with bike lanes is that they're quite insignificant or inconspicuous. That's the word.
but you got to pick up on everything. Yeah. So anyway, nothing critical. That'll
Good
just
drive.
make me a better driver and you or trainer, and make you a better trainer too, because it puts
Absolutely.
you in the same kind of situation.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Cheers.
Done well.